In the pharmaceutical and medical industries, precision isn't optional, it's fundamental. Accuracy is demanded at every stage, from research and development to manufacturing and packaging. This applies not only to the products themselves but also to the equipment used to design, test, and monitor them. Among the tools that play a vital role in achieving this precision are load cells, sensors that measure force, weight, or tension with extreme accuracy. This is where Interface comes in. Known for designing world-class force measurement solutions, Interface supports medical and pharmaceutical companies with a wide range of load cells, torque transducers, and multi-axis sensors that meet the exacting demands of the industry. These solutions are essential during every phase, from early R&D and prototyping to quality control and high-volume production. In the pharmaceutical manufacturing process, load cells play a critical role in ensuring dosage accuracy, minimizing waste, and maintaining product consistency. They are used to monitor mixing forces, validate packaging integrity, and precisely control filling and weighing systems. Applications include tablet hardness testing, optimization of forming machines, monitoring forces in bioreactors and fermenters, and specimen testing in quality control labs. As the pharmaceutical industry continues to evolve with advances in automation, biotechnology, and personalized medicine, force measurement will remain essential. Interface will continue to support the industry's growth with innovative, high-performance sensor technologies designed to meet today's standards and tomorrow's challenges.